Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And so I wanted to go over AMC today because it's a pretty special day, January 5th, 2024, closing the day and the week at a price of $5.17, having hit a new all-time low of $5.08 on the day. And so I just wanted to take a moment to look back on the stock and the price action that it's had, because I think there's something to look back upon and be very proud of that I think we see in the chart today. And so, yeah, I hope that this is a little bit inspirational. I hope that it gives you some hope because in thinking about this today, it gave me some hope, and I wanted to share that with you. And so looking at the chart, this is the transition between 2020 and 2021. And on January 5th, 2021, the stock price hit an all-time low that's adjusted here of $10.35. And so if we don't adjust it, I believe the price on that day was $1.95. The low, the all-time low, was $1.95. And so just thinking about that, and all of the people that were holding the stock then, some who sold then thinking there's no hope in recovery, others who bought the dip, I think it's really nice to look back on the chart on that day, on this day, 3 years ago, and what followed. And so if I scroll over here, what we see is the first big squeeze that occurred between January 26th and 27th. And then moving even more forward into the future, in that year, 2021, we saw another gigantic squeeze. And so, I think that's a nice reminder that when stock prices go down, when they hit new all-time lows, it's really tough to maintain confidence in what you're holding. And I just think this is a nice reminder that while we might be at all-time lows now, we were 3 years ago. And 2021 was an incredible year for AMC and for retail broadly. And I think that 2024 is going to be another great year for retail. I have hope that it will be a great year for retail. And so I just wanted to go over briefly a couple things that I have on the chart here. One is this downtrending channel. It looks like price could be in this. It did break out. And I'm hoping that this ends up being the all-time low, $5.08, and that we do repeat what happened in 2021 with a squeeze either at the end of January, beginning of February, or later in the year. Maybe that doesn't happen. Maybe that waits until 2025. Who knows? But what I do know is that it's tough to be holding something that's down this much. It's tough to have confidence in the investment, but I believe in it. I believe in the community, and I believe in AMC. And so I just wanted to share my thoughts that it's possible we'll be trading in this channel, that we'll test the top of it, maybe get rejected again. It's possible that we'll hit new all-time lows next week. But one thing that I have covered on the channel that may or may not be significant, so far it has not been significant, is that while we do see lower lows forming in the stock price, we do see higher lows forming in the RSI, and that is bullish divergence. So I do feel like there is some hope. I do feel like there's a lot of hope that we are at or near the bottom right now. And with that being said, if we look at this on the weekly time frame, this is the highest close of the year 2024 thus far. I think there will be higher closes in the year, most definitely. And so, those are my thoughts on the stock. I hope you found them helpful, and if you did, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year.